Hey, what's going on, guys? Miller Brother here, and I'm just showing you how you can use TradingView. So this will be just a quick tutorial, not an in-depth tutorial, but just enough for you to navigate through the dashboard or to the website. So we're now here on the TradingView dashboard. So currently I'm using an app here on Windows, but you can use this on the browser, on the Chrome extension as well. So what you're gonna do, first thing is to go here on this watch list and details. So there's are other options that you will have, but for now we'll just go here on the watch list. And then, for example, if you're looking for gold and gold is not here, right? So let's just remove that. So if you want gold to be on your watch list, all you have to do is just to add symbol, go to the plus sign here. So click that, and then just search gold or XAU USD. Right, so these are the websites or the broker that will show you the value of gold against US dollar, but they're all the same. So mostly just go with forex.com. So click plus here, add to watch list, and then you'll see gold here on the bottom. So if you want this to be alphabetical, you just click the symbol tab here, and then you will see that these are organized in ascending alphabetical order. Yeah, descending. And if you want ascending, you just click again, and then gold will be here on the top. And of course, if you want to change them on the current change percentage, last change, you can do that. But if you just want to be alphabetical, you just click the symbol tab here. And also, you can have another option where you can just, if you find opportunity for the currency pairs that you are currently watching, you can add them on the red list folder. So what you're going to do is just go to the side here on the symbol and click the flag. And then for the free version, you only have one color option, but that's enough, right? So what you're going to do, once you click the tab here, go to red list, and then all the currency pair that you are currently watching are just here on the red list folder, right? So that's really, really easy. So also, if you want to trade crypto, you can also do that. Just add symbol, and for Bitcoin, you also see here all the Bitcoin options, right? So that's it for the watch list. So if you want to minimize here, right, so you can just click and drag here, or you can just click this button. Now we're here now on the chart, right? So we are on the USD JPY, because on currently I'm just watching this one. So if you're gonna go to our red list again, let's organize this one. So example, gold, USD JPY, USD CHF, right? USD CAD. You can navigate that through this side, right? So right now, let's see on the USD CAD. Now here on this side, you will have all the um, drawing tools that you're gonna use. So here we're gonna have the trend line. So if you are currently using just specific trend line, you can add this on your favorite. So this will appear here, right? So example, if the trend line is not here on your favorite, just click the star button here to add that on your favorite, and it's appear here. And if you want to, right, organize them, you can just click and drag them, right? So here on this tab are your drawing tools. You have your trend line, horizontal line, right? And if you want to add your Fibonacci retracement, Fibonacci tool, if those are the tools that you're currently using, that which I am sharing on the strategy, you can also add here. Drawing tools, your brush, rectangle, ellipse. So we'll be using this as well. Here also your rectangle, right? And also your call out button if you want to tag here and put here your higher high, something like that, to help you identify stuff, right? So really easy. And if you want to delete this, just click here, click the what you just drew, and then remove. That's it. Very, very easy. All right, now if you want to use indicators, so let me take all the indicators. So it's easy. If you want to erase everything, just go here on the trash can here, and it will erase. Or if you want to just erase specific drawings, indicators, or both, that will do. So now you have a naked chart here. If you want to change the color theme to light, that's your preference. So this one is really bright for me. I just like it really dark, right? So drawing tools now here on my favorite. let's go back to the indicators. So indicators are on this symbol, the FX, indicators and strategy. So what you're going to do is just click here, and then you can search all the indicators here. So these are already put on my favorites, but you can use all the indicators and search them, like RSI, right? Or stochastic, MACD, everything. All the strategies are, or all the indicators are, just you can just search them and then add them to your favorites, right? Now to draw, it's really easy. Just here under drawing tools, if you want to draw a rectangle like this one, click and drop, and then click again to finish drawing, and that's it. And trend line, like that. If you want to clone, like me, just right click, right? Go on the trend line, right click, clone, and that's it. Drawing tools, and then for my direction, I just put like this. I use this path. So this is the tool I'm using, the pathway. So it's easier for me to draw. Just a guide for me that if price action is doing this specifically, then I'll be entering the trade. All right. So really easy, guys. So if you want to use the Fibonacci retracement, just click here, click and drop, hold, and then click again to hold it. If you want to adjust, you can see this symbol circle, then you can adjust your Fibonacci retracement. Same with Fibonacci um, uh, extension. All right. Again, if you want to delete this, just click here or right click, then hide or remove. It's the same thing. And also, the very useful feature in TradingView that's not available in MT4 is that we have the long position and the short position. This will help you see how many pips that are you are risking or in profit. So let's take this one. If, for example, if you want to take this trade, you can see here that you are risking 72 pips to gain 72 pip. But if you want to adjust it like this, if you want to say you put your stop loss here, so you can see that you're only risking 34 pips, and then if you put your take profit around here, you are your TP is around 123 pips, right? So that's really easy. So if you want to get the exact value, exact number, you can just go here on this side, or you can double click on the symbol, and then you will see here that your take profit is 120 pips. That's not the thousand. It's the way you read this is the first three number, and the stop level is 34 pips. All right. And if you want to be very specific, you can just put here, say, I want to risk 35 pips, so that's 350 level. And then if you want to take profit of 120 pips, you put 1,200. And then you will get the exact price here to put on your, to modify your order, right? So also the same thing with short order. If you want to take short position, same principle. This will be your stop loss. This will be your take profit level. And also to navigate the chart, right? If you want to um, move left or to move left and or to zoom in, right? So you can use the, I'm using the mouse scroll button, the mouse wheel. So I'm using that, or you can do here. You can go here. You can click plus, minus, can move left, right? But it's really slow. But if you can just click and drag, it's easy to navigate. And also, if you want to zoom in on the upper and lower part of the chart, you can click here and then just drag here. All right. So really simple, guys. Really easy to navigate TradingView. So that's how you do this. Again, plus sign here, minus sign here, all your drawing tools here, and then I highly recommend you put it on your favorite. So just it'll be just here on the upper side, and then here on the symbol. Also, these are the time frame also that it's available. So you can just click here. This is a 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, daily, weekly, monthly, right? So if you want to be more specific, you can add more. If you want like trading the 3 hours or the 45 minutes, you can do that. This is also the candles. If you want to see the candlestick, if you want to see candlestick that are hollow like this one, or you want it to see the lines, so you can draw much better for the support and resistance. Again, it's just 3C guys, just here. If you want to see bars, candles, right? So really simple guys. And what's the best feature about the if you open an account is that you can save your chart and then you can open this anytime. All right guys, so you can just go through the video again and just review if you are lost. The free version you will have ads, so that's the only down part for it. But the free version is already enough. You don't need a lot of indicators on your chart with the strategies that we're using. So again, guys, just let me know if you have any questions, and hope you get well from this video. And again, thank you for watching this video. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.